Are your basement walls bowing, causing you concern? HydroHelp 911 has the expert solutions you need. In this video, we'll explore the causes of bowing basement walls, the risk involved, and how HydroHelp 911 can effectively address these issues. Bowing basement walls indicate structural problems that require immediate attention. Factors like hydrostatic pressure, poor drainage, and aging foundations can cause this issue. If left untreated, bowing walls can jeopardize your home stability. Bowing basement walls pose significant risk. Increased pressure on the foundation can lead to cracks, water leakage, and even collapse. Your safety and the integrity of your home are at stake. HydroHelp 911 specializes in stabilizing and repairing bowing basement walls. Our experienced professionals perform thorough inspections, diagnosing the cause and extent of the problem to develop a customized repair plan. Our comprehensive approach depends on the severity of the situation. Our fixes could include one of the following: carbon fiber reinforcement, wall plate anchor systems, I-beam stabilization systems, helical tiebacks, and in the worst case scenario, complete wall replacement. Don't ignore bowing basement walls. They are only going to get worse and more expensive with time. Call HydroHelp 911 at 704-813-9554 or visit us at hydrohelp911.com for a free consultation.